Good morning, Sunday. Sun is out because it was a little bit gloomy earlier on and uh, peaceful. I just love just the background. Hear that wind and the birds chirping away, loving life, loving the morning. So guys, what is your plan this Sunday? Are you about to go to church, or you're meeting friends, or doing some shopping? Because I can tell you now that the season, the sale is now on. So yeah, for my Shopee friend. So yes, and you can score some good bargain, which is I'm going to do some filming later on, and I'm gonna show you what I managed as a first haul for the summer for 2026. But we're not here to talk about my YouTube channel. We're here to talk about the lovely, gorgeous Sunday morning. Easy Sunday morning. Yeah. And I'm checking out the cherries. Look, it's nearly there. Can you see? It's ripening very, very well. I hope the birds don't get into it first before me, right? Or we can share, me and the birds. So guys, yes, a gorgeous day to do some walking. I need to do a bit of walking. You know, I'm with we have this group like one step wherein we walk for the whole week, and you count and then tally it. Now that it's finished, somehow I'm beginning to be lazy again. So maybe I should program my mind that it's still an ongoing, so I can push myself to do some walking. So yeah, I should be doing that, right? But for some reason, here am I, feeling absolutely lazy and staring at all this grass that needs some cutting. But one of my neighbor have actually recommended someone to help me sort out my garden, so he's coming over. So we'll see, fingers crossed. Yeah, he'll take the job on. So yeah guys, whatever you do, remember, keep smiling, and bye for now. Have a gorgeous Sunday morning. Bye guys. One of my neighbor have actually recommended someone to help me sort out my garden, so he's coming over. So we'll see, fingers crossed. Yeah, he'll take the job on. So yeah guys, whatever you do, remember, keep smiling, and bye for now. Have a gorgeous Sunday morning.